What's up, guys? Cyclone here from the Iowa DC YouTube channel. Today we've got the brand new iPhone 12 to take a look at. Now, this just released last week. I'm a little slow in getting it in, but we'll take a look at it. We'll see what you guys think. So you can see the box is way thinner, and we'll get into why that is here in a bit, but it's a nice little compact package this time. Easy to, I don't know, fit more boxes in a delivery truck, I guess. And I totally talked right through the ASMR part. I apologize for that. But let's open it up here. And like I said, this is going to be a pretty short video just because of what's in and not in the box. You can see it's so small that they even have a cutout for the camera bump on the back now. We'll set that over here. Now let's take the phone out. Now this is the blue, I can't remember the official name, but it's the blue iPhone 12. It's got the dual camera setup on the back. I really like this color blue. I'm torn between this one or the Pro, but it has this nice stainless steel band. On the Pro, they kind of have a shiny band that gets a ton of fingerprints, so your results may vary on both of them. You can see it's got your normal power button, some extra stuff on the side. It's all your fairly standard stuff compared to last year. It's just now the sides are flat, which is much nicer to hold, I think. We'll peel the front off. This time, no actual plastic sticker. It's this piece of paper, which is different. And here's your phone. Yep, just one big slab of black glass. Now this is the new, what is it, Sapphire? I can never follow along with the marketing on the glass on these things, but it's supposed to be a little bit better at protecting and not shattering than the iPhone 11 was. So as we just pan over this quick, you can see that that color blue really does jump out. The red this year isn't really red, so I'm a big fan of the white, the black, and the blue for sure. That's pretty much the whole phone here. I just want to give you guys a little bit more, a couple more angles. I want to make sure I cover everything. Just to make sure you guys see all that, you can notice there's no USB-C port yet, which I think they're just going to skip entirely and go right to a phone with no ports, but we'll see how that works out in the next couple of years. Overall, nice looking phone. I want to give you as much time as possible just to kind of look at what it looks like, so if you're making a purchase decision, you can at least know what to get. I think all the models this year are going to be well worth purchase. All of them look nice. All of them should run fantastically well, even compared to last year's 11 models. So we'll just boot this up. Once it comes on, you'll see the bezel is a little smaller. Apple's kind of changed that slightly. I don't think you'll be able to notice unless you're really looking for it, but they also made the phone a little bit thinner than last year, and it definitely feels a little lighter. So that's that. I think it can stand up, but it'll probably fall over and break on me. Nope. There we go. So what else is in the box? Well, you've got your USB-C to Lightning cable, which there's no power brick because Apple's trying to save the planet, which is fine, but nobody has the right power brick for this thing. Everybody has the USB-A bricks, so that's different. And you still get, nothing else in the box. You still get your little papers and your SIM card punch and only one Apple sticker this year. So, for those of you that don't already have 50,000 of those laying around. But yeah, there's no USB-C in the box, nothing like that. So unless you have an iPad Pro, or last year's iPhones, I believe you won't have that USB-C dongle or the charger brick, so you'll have to order that separately. Now this does also have the MagSafe in it. I will be getting a MagSafe charger, and I can show off that once that comes in. There's also MagSafe cases that you can get, but I don't think I'll put mine in a case. But anyways, that's the new iPhone 12. I should have the 12 Pro Max at some point when it comes out next month. So go ahead and like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. And we will see you guys next time. Enjoy your iPhones or your Android phones or whatever you got. Thanks, guys.